In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 11 to Pendrive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which pendrive type or model you have, you will be able to connect it to your iPhone to transfer data between them. So, if you have one of these pendrives that have a lightning connector, you will be able to directly connect them into your iPhone. But if you have one of these that have USB-C or even USB-A, then you will need an adapter. So if you need an adapter, I recommend purchasing this one. This is made by Apple themselves, so it's the Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Even though it mentions camera in the name, it will work just as well for the pen drives or any other devices that need to be connected with USB or USB-C. So all that you have to do is plug them into the according port. Like I said, if you have a Lightning pen drive like this one, then it can go directly into your iPhone. But as long as you have either the adapter or the pen drive connected, you are good to go. There's no secret to this. The iPhone is capable of detecting the pen drive right away, so it will appear under the Files app, and you can open it to see all of the content, so all of the files that you have inside of the pen drive. You can select them to move them into the iPhone's storage, or of course you can do the opposite, where you can get files from your iPhone. So for example, in the Gallery app, you select as many files as you would like to transfer, and when you choose the share option, you will find save to files. Regardless of how you use the pen drive, it will be connected, and now you can transfer data back and forth. So you can choose files that are inside of your iPhone's storage and transfer them to the pen drive, or the opposite, where you get the files from the pen drive and you drop them in your iPhone's storage. Just highlight any files or data that you would like to transfer by pressing and holding, for example, photos on your gallery, and when you choose the share icon, which should be a square with an arrow, you will be able to share them and save to files. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 11 to Pendrive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.